YouTube, man, look at this view. We got a parking garage literally all to ourselves. We got the sunset glowing, got the bike looking good. Are y'all ready? Cool, let's get it. He's good. YouTube, man, look at this view. We got a parking garage literally all to ourselves. We got the sunset glowing, got the bike looking good. You know, we about to go downtown, ride through the buildings a little bit while we got this lighting, and yeah. And don't drop that.
Caught it.
All right. I don't really have that problem, guys. I mean, look at this. You literally can't ask for a better day to go ride. Honest to God, look, let me do another loop here just cuz, bro. Look at this. Look at this view. We got Lil C. We got her friend we just met. Yeah, we getting it. I'll drop everybody's tags down in the description below if you follow them. Don't forget, like, subscribe, please. I'm asking nicely. It's free and it helps me out greatly. We'll just whip a Yui. Cool. All right. Phone's dead, so that's cool. Oh, it's not anymore. Okay, little guy wants a race, let's do it. Really? Ah, yeah, well, that'll do it. Hey, thank you so much. Oh, that was funny. Good times, man, good times. You know, the bike next to me, I probably don't stand a chance against that. But hey, you know. Yeah, actually, this 600 next to us, we literally just met her today. Well, at least me. Lil C behind me on the street bob, you know, she's been friends with her for a few months now, so we figured let's all meet up and take some photos. And man, she had like the best parking garage downtown, man. So as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, look at him back there. We're riding out. You trying to kill me? You trying to kill me? Yeah. Some of my very first photos I ever took when I got a camera was this sailboat here. I think it's pretty dope. Okay, we made it. You need exhaust, my guy.
I know.
Now we enter the highway with my tinted visor, so I can barely see shit. Now we cruising, boys. Now we cruising. Oh, she wants to race. Yeah, there's no way I'm keeping up with her. Who's this person? Okay. Guys, for the past 2 days, started with a full tank, right? Ripping this bike. I mean, not treating it like a cruiser at all. Full throttle all the time. Just ripping through the gears. 3-gallon tank, 127 miles on this tank, ripping it like that, and projected 68 more. So according to the bike, I should get about 180 miles out of this tank, and that was with me just dogging on it, right? Like, so driving it like a sane human being. I have a feeling you could, from empty to empty or full to empty, get 200 miles out of this bike. Oh god, this tinted visor, man, that looked pitch black to me. I'm sure you guys are watching this video right now like, dude, it's not even that dark out. And I get it. And that's why I really want to invest in a transition lens. They're not even that expensive. Yeah, I got a lot of pretty dope photos and videos up in that parking garage. I'll post them at the end of this video, so if you want to see, stick around. But in terms of vlog, this is it. I will see you on the next one. Again, thank you so much. 100 subscribers in a week, that's crazy. Small channel, like, that's unheard of. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one.